I feel the energy, and I feel them coming. Yes, we have some Indians that's coming. I think it might be nice if maybe I could get someone, a chief maybe, come up and start a song or something to get the group. And you want to? Oh, please, come. Yes, he can come, but if you would like, you're our guest. Queen, if you'd like to come on up. Let's give the Queen quick.
Good morning. How are the children do today? We're so glad for day one more again in Norland and things like that. We come 12 hours journey. Ain't sleep yet. Drive all night for Geechee this morning. But day with 100 children, what we consider family. You know saying this your city, plenty of the children with a day called Geechee. But plenty of time we ain't first know why we got their name. But 100 a part of we family tree. Because back in Yona, when we had this thing called slavery time and things like that, chattel slavery, it kept some 100 children, ancestors from the Sea Islands, from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida, take up all of the Sea Islands, and then inland, 30 to 35 miles to St. John River. That way, 100 of the to crack the teeth, so and things like that, other than right here in New Orleans. Remember the first time we come here in New Orleans and think we've been a nap on breakfast like 100 to do today, and we ain't supposed to be a crack the teeth, so. We just swore we were talking English like this. And this sister walked up and said, "How y'all?" We said, "All right." She said, "Y'all live over where y'all live at in the city?" I said, "We in a hotel." Why she think we in a hotel if we live in the city? So she said, "Y'all ain't from here?" We said, "No ma'am." "You sure?" "Yeah, we sure." "Where you from?" I said, "Go get your nation." "Where that is?" And now when I started telling her, she was surprised. But when she walked away, we were surprised. We said, "How does she know?" Right? But my aunt always said, "Blood, no blood." And so that is why the Gullah Geechee Nation came to reconnect the bloodline here in New Orleans back to the Sea Islands. Because for so long, folks acted like a levee was between us, or a dam was between us, blocking who we were, and even at some time trying to pit us against each other to say one shout and one rush. One of the Indians and one of the Gullahs, or one of the Geechees and one of the Creole, and all these other different separations that we know in but one of we people. And God to make all of we. So we're so glad for day. We also have one of our family, the Black Seminoles, represented here as well. That are another branch of the Gullah Geechee African African diaspora that we have of our own that we are blessed to bring back together. So I definitely thank Queen Sharice. I thank all the chiefs that are here today. I honor you. I thank all of our elders that are here today. I honor you. I honor the director here, Sister Carol, and all of Ashe Cultural Center and the community. We're holding it together because we know all the rest of the people ain't gonna come for Savior amongst we. We have a Savior. And the best way for we to do that, know that God done give me everything we need. And all we have to do is share. And so that's why we're so glad for there. And this is our Minister of Information, Elder Carly Town, who is on our Wisdom Circle Council of Elders for the Gullah Geechee Nation. And if you'll notice on our national flag, that tree in the center is actually human bodies intertwined. Because that is what an African family tree is made of. It's us interlinked where we can never be separated. It's not just them flow charts that we have in the family reunion, but it's where that bloodline makes you know you can never be disconnected from one another. So if you look at that tree close, some of y'all did right in there. Some of y'all look at me right now. Anyway, okay. So it's so glad to know when they're home and things like that, when we crack the teeth like this, people in there lean forward. Like as if you lean forward, that makes you understand. Either you do or you don't. But it's a code of the spirit, and it is an honor to celebrate with you all of your Mardi Gras Indian honorees for this year. And I feel it is divine order for me to receive an invitation saying, come to the Mardi Gras Film Fest entitled Queen's Rule. All right? So it's divine order that the Queens are ruling this weekend. And we're so glad for there. Thank you to all of them for joining me this morning and for being in your big chief. You want to take over a song for me? I started them up.
With the introduction that Queen Quet has given to us, we appreciate that very, very much. You know we appreciate that because we know where the Mardi Gras Indians come from. And knowing where they come from, we suffer that same thing. Yeah, we do have signs on us like uptown, downtown, Creole, such and such a thing, but we do know where we come from, basically. So with us, with them honoring us, I don't think it's no better or no worse for us to honor them. We appreciate them coming here. And I know a long time ago about the Geechees coming here to the naval base back in the 55 and the 50 and thinking we were one thing and we were thinking they were another, but we was all the same thing. So basically, I would like to, let me hear ya. Way back away, 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 early in the morning. Oh, come on in ya. Just come around. Early that morning. I'm free. You want to find. You want to find. Oh, I'm oh, I'm
say